you doing today? It's a wonderful day to go for a ride. I mean, it is probably 75 and I can't even tell you how nice it feels to be wearing almost a sweater. I hate when it's a little bit too hot. Anyway, enough about the frickin' weather. I've been getting a lot of comments lately about, oh, of course, I'm getting a phone call. I've been getting a lot of comments lately about this bike and asking why I don't use the Quickshifter. And, well, to be quite honest, I didn't really know the bike had a Quickshifter. Ooh. Yeah, I know. But now that I've done the research and I found out that this 2021 KTM 690 SMC R has a Quickshifter, I figured, why not go out and test it and see what it's like? Because, fun fact, I have never owned a bike with a Quickshifter. This would be my first one, and it comes from the factory, and I've heard nothing but mixed reviews, where it works when it works. It's complete total shit. It false neutrals all the time. So let's understand and give it a shot to see what it's actually like. Now, what actually is a Quickshifter? Well, it's essentially shifting without the clutch. You can have it wide open throttle, and you can just lift your foot to change gears so that you don't have to worry about grabbing the clutch, dumping the throttle, releasing, so on and so forth. And the ECU automatically tells the bike within that moment, that millisecond, to stop squirting fuel, to basically shut the throttle out. We're going to unload the gears and we're going up or down, one of the two. So essentially it should be fairly easy to use, right? You just leave your hand and you lift your foot. Now again, like I said, I haven't used one. I've never used one. I don't know how it's gonna go. Apparently it saves time on the track, which, hell, I wouldn't know. I haven't brought this bike to the track yet. But I guess let's get to an open area and a spot where I can give this a shot with some wide open throttle. I don't know if it works at slower speeds too, maybe? I wouldn't know. But we're about to find out today. Alright, Infinity. Oh, that's so cool! Oh, it does sort of work. It feels so weird. Oh my goodness. Wow! Changes my life there. Alright, I'm gonna try to do it without having my hand way out here. You'll see. Oh, that's so cool! What? Oh man, just mind explosion there. That's insane. Damn, that works so well. That is so cool. So you don't even have, like, I could just ride with a hand up and I can go through the gears. That makes so much sense. Like, man, I can't even speak. I'm just mind blown right now. Looks like we got to keep trying this. This is, for the price of this bike and the features that come on it, I don't know why you'd buy anything different. So cool. Oh, that makes so much sense. Oh, oh, oh. Why am I so excited for this? it's so stupid, but it's just so exciting. That's super easy to use. You don't have to worry about anything. You don't have to worry about your hand. I'm gonna start using this more. I don't know why you wouldn't. Let's compare that. Let's do a couple more. I want to do it again with clutch, trying to do it with the clutch, and then with just the foot. bike without a quick shifter, because that's just way too easy. Oh, now I'm just gonna keep using the quick shifter everywhere I go. I wonder, does it work at like slower, like if you're just not wide open throttle, like if I'm just, yeah, I mean, I guess it would work anytime, really. I wouldn't want to do it any, you know, slower if I'm not, you know, trying to go fast. I wonder if that's why, oh, brakes are squeaky. I wonder if that's why this transmission, when I first got the bike and was going through the break-in, was just kind of, eh. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Yeah. From first. Whoa, there was a false neutral there. Whoa. Okay, so it doesn't work as good going from first to second, because that false neutral like you never believe. I guess that would be better if it was definitely not first to second. So I think second through the rest. I mean, hell, that would make sense when you start to think about it, but yeah, oh, that is just addicting. That is too much fun. Watch, I'm gonna be riding in like a month from now. The transmission's just gonna fall off this stupid thing. Woo! Oh, it's so good. How have I not found this before? Oh, here we go again. Oh, it's just so easy. Oh, my pocket's open. My pocket. Ooh. Now we're gonna quick shift through this tunnel. I don't know why, but it makes me feel like a professional racer, like I know how to ride. Get off your phone. It's gonna sit there on a cell phone. Oh, that's so cool. Alright, I gotta quit shouting. Way too excited. Way too excited here, sir. Gotta relax a little bit. Oh, watch out for the geese. Don't hit the geese. Don't hit the geese. Go, geese. Go. Go, geese. Go. Alright, I'm gonna try to look at my hand. Coming in hot. Rip it. Here we go. Now you're just riding like a jackass. Well, I guess, in conclusion, after this fun and exciting ride, the quick shifter works really well. I haven't had any problems with it, and I've just been testing it for the last half hour. But regardless, it is such a breeze. You don't even have to use your clutch. You can just leave your foot under the shifter and bang through gears. And there's like no hesitation. I mean, they are like that. They are super quick to actually get into that next gear, which I'm so surprised at. I mean, it is just lights out with this quick shifter. So if you don't have one, I highly suggest getting one. If you want one, don't want any more, you need it. And for those of you on at least a 2021 and 2022 KTM 690 SMC R, know that from the factory they hooked it up. So as I come back to sitting in traffic and looking at myself in the reflection of the car in front, I want to wish everybody happy riding and enjoyment, because this is just too good. Oh, big bump. Oh, too good. So be safe out there, and as always, keep riding.